Today we're installing our aluminum frame glass barn door. We'll walk you through each step of the process, from ordering your door to size and installing it, from beginning to end. First, you want to make sure that you order the perfect size door to cover your doorway. Refer to the product page and dimensional drawings for recommended sizing. Make sure that you have the correct product sheet, as these sizing recommendations are different for single versus double doors, doors with locks, and different track styles. This drawing will tell you the exact mounting hole height of the track for the size door that you ordered. This dimension is measured from the top of the finished floor. For this 80-inch door, 82.5 inches will be our mounting hole location. Next, we'll use a stud finder to find each stud and mark this height on each one of them. We can now pre-drill the mounting holes for the wall mounting brackets. There should be 4 to 6 of them, depending on the length of the track. Attach each wall mounting bracket onto the drywall and into the studs with the screws provided. Now we can place the track on the wall. Insert the track into each one of these mounting brackets and secure into place with the provided Allen wrench. Attach the roller wheels to the top of the door frame with the 2 provided mounting screws. Using the provided Allen wrench, remove the lower peg on the roller wheel. Now the door can be hung on the track. Once the door is hung, we can replace the lower peg on the roller wheel with the provided machine screw and Allen wrench. Now we just need to install the floor guide. We recommend using a piece of masking tape to mark the mounting locations, especially if you have a dark colored floor, so they show up easier. Mark the dimensions on the tape where the guide is to be mounted using a pencil. Place the guide on the tape and mark the screw locations using a dark pen or marker. Next, we can drill the holes in the marked locations. Once that is done, you can insert the floor anchors and screw the guide down. Now we need to align the door into the floor guide and set the track stops on each side. To do this, slide the door to the desired closed position. Slide the track stop to the roller wheel and tighten. To do the same for the other side, slide the door to the open position, slide the track stop to the necessary location on the track, and tighten. And that completes this barn door installation.